Immobiliser fitting. This is a brand new 2024 Ford Puma hybrid. As you can see, it's only got 12 miles on it. The customer wanted it secure, so we've gone for a Halo Mini. With this, if a thief grabbed the key, the vehicle's just not going to start. As you see, the ignition power's up, but it doesn't actually start without going through a code. So to do that, we'll turn the ignition on to get the foot off the brakes, pop our code in. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive the flash from the hazard lights, and we can start the vehicle and drive away. As you see, the RPMs have gone up, the vehicle's now running. As soon as we get out, the system's active, so if a thief grabs your keys and you pulled up at home, they're not going to be able to drive away with your car. It takes no time to activate. As soon as the door's open, the system's armed. If the customer's taking this for a service, taking it back to Ford, you obviously don't want to give them the code, don't want them to have any issues with putting the code in. You just want it to be a normal vehicle. So to do that, we won't start the car, we'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in, and on the last button we'll hold for 10 seconds and we'll get 5 flashes. This is now a normal vehicle, so when we turn it off and open the door, you'll see we get no flashes, the system doesn't arm, and when it's at Ford, it's just a normal vehicle. It starts up without a code, they can drive it away, do what they need to do, road test it, service it, move it around their workshop. It's just a normal vehicle. When you get it home, remember to turn it back on, and to do that is the same process again. So ignition on without starting, we'll pop our code in and we'll hold on the last press. But this time we're only going to get 1 flash to confirm it's come out of service mode, whereas going in we got 5 flashes. So we'll just wait for 1 flash, keep it held. We've got that, now we can let go of the button. The system's active. We'll know because as soon as we get out, 2 flashes on the dash, the system's on. And just to double check, we'll try to start it with no code, and you see the vehicle doesn't start up. If the customer wants to choose their own code, they obviously can. This can be a minimum of 4 presses to a maximum of 21 in any order they choose. And to do that, we'll turn the ignition on. We'll first prove it's us with our old code. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get our flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll receive a flash to confirm it's in low mode. So we'll now set a new code of sort of 1, 2, 3. We'll turn the ignition off. Once we get our flash after turning the ignition off, it confirms our code's learned. So we'll just open and close the door to activate the system. Now if we turn the ignition on, try our old code, you'll see we get no flash. The vehicle's not going to start because we've changed the code. So we'll just start again. So ignition off, turn it on, 1, 2, 3, we get our flash, foot on the brake and start. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new 2024 Ford Puma hybrid with only 12 miles on it, secured with a Halo Mini. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.